Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech, and in parts of speech we have already completed 5 parts of speech, and today we are going to start sixth one, and that is conjunction. Conjunctions you must have studied at school. So recalling all those points and relating to communicative approach, we are going to learn this conjunction and its types in a new way, which will be helpful to you in communicative approach. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't miss this video. Let's get started. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech. We have already completed noun, pronoun, verb, adverb and adjective with their types. And today we are going to start this new part of speech, and that is conjunction. Let's see the definition of conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used for joining or connecting two words, phrases or sentences. They are also called connectors or joining words. Okay, there are 3 types of conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunction. Second, subordinating conjunction. And third, correlative conjunction. So today we are going to start with first type, and that is coordinating conjunctions. Let's see the definition of coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to link or join two words or phrases that are equally important and complete in terms of grammar. For coordinating conjunctions, you have to remember FANBOYS. F stands for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and so, S for so. So we are going to learn one by one each. Let's see examples. First, and. And means in addition to. For example, he is tall. He is handsome. Look at the picture. Now, here he is tall, he is handsome. Both these adjectives, or you can say words, are joined with and. Second, my favorite hobbies are soccer and watching TV. So here two words are connected with the help of and. That is why and that is conjunction. So in other words we can say plus. You have to add. That is and, means in addition to. Third one, Tom is jumping and Mary is skipping. So here Tom is jumping, Mary is skipping. Two sentences are different and they are joined with coordinating conjunction, and that is and. And means plus. We have added two actions here. Tom is jumping and Mary is skipping. So two sentences are connected with the help of and. Next, We went for a movie and a lovely dinner afterwards. So here movie and dinner. These two are different words which are joined with the help of coordinating conjunction, that is and. And means you have to add plus. Plus means fun and two. Both are joined. Next, I like jelly and ice cream. So, jelly, ice cream, two different words are connected or joined with the help of and. That is coordinating conjunction. Next, please calm down, let's wait and watch. So, here calm down, then comma. Comma also works as coordinating conjunction. Then let's wait and watch. If more than two actions or two words, if you want to join, then you can use comma. Also, no, don't use every time and. That is why here comma is mentioned and then and. Next, that is but. But shows contrast. How? That we will see with the help of examples. First, he is rich, he is unhappy. Usually, rich people are happy. Okay. But here, rich but unhappy. So, contrasting words are given. That is why here you have to put but. So, he is rich but unhappy. So, here for but we will use this opposite sign. So, it will be helpful to you in understanding in better way. That's why he is rich, one word, unhappy, second. So, two different adjectives. But here the whole sentence, two sentences are given and we have combined them with the help of but. According to the need of the sentence or context, you have to put and or but. Here but is appropriate. He is rich but unhappy. So, it shows contrast. Second, Raj is tall, his sister is short. So, tall, short, two words, two adjectives. So, these are opposite words. So, that is why we will put here but. We will join these two sentences with the help of but. Raj is tall but his sister is short. For that, here we will use opposite sign. Next, it was a sunny day but the wind was cold. So, usually in sunny day we feel hot, but here contrasting thing is given in second sentence. The wind was cold. That's why here but is mentioned to join two sentences together. It was a sunny day but the wind was cold. So, for but we have used here opposite sign. Contrast. The stick is thin but it is strong. See here in second picture, the boy is trying to break it, but he is not able to break. That is why the stick is thin but it is strong. So, but opposite sign. I need to go home but all of the flights are cancelled. So, two opposite sentences. That's why they are joined with but, because here it shows contrast. Okay, let's do exercise. Join the sentences together by using and or but. Okay, 5 sentences are given. Okay, so here you have to join sentences together with the help of and or but. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, Sujit is poor, Sujit is happy. So here, poor, happy, contrasting words. That's why we will use here but. Sujit is poor but happy. Second, the wind is strong, I am feeling cold. Here, the wind is strong and I am feeling cold. So here, in addition to, in that it is given, that's why we have put here and. Third, I did get the invitation, I did not go. So here, I did get the invitation, but I did not go. Here, contrast ideas. Okay. So that is why but. Fourth, God made the country, man made the town. So here, God made the country and man made the town. Here, addition in adding. Okay, here it is given. It is not showing contrast. That's why here and is mentioned. Last one. She saw me. She did not speak to me. Here she saw me but she did not speak to me. Here contrast is given. That is why but is mentioned. So friends, hope you understood the difference between and but. In my next video, we will see the same fanboys. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing.